Hello, word nerds. Sorry if you hear Bruce barking in the back. He is extra active tonight. But our words this week for our roots are vit and viv, which means life or alive, and then spec, which means look or see. I decided that I cut out carefully the pill bottle and the glasses, the first set. These pills, they're cut out just around these. But these glasses, I did not want to waste my time doing every nook and cranny, so I just got it like generally kind of like in a messy oval shape, because we're going to glue here, and it gives us more structure if we don't take everything off anyway, and it's going to fold like that. So please do not spend all this time going all the way around these edges. That's so much time that we don't need to spend. So let's focus on vit first. I have the mailbox behind this, which is pretty thick, so I'm just going to put the pill bottle on the mailbox behind it. That way I don't have to try to write on all the messy mail. Now the vitamin pieces are kind of small, so we're not going to flip any of them today. We're just going to glue all of them all the way down, and we're just going to write next to them, because I just didn't think there's enough room to write if, we do that. So I'm just going to leave enough space between each of these vitamins to be able to write some things. So let's do vitality up here, survival, and do vivacious. If you hear me licking, it's Artemis underneath the table that I'm working at, not me. I'm not licking anything. Stop, Artemis. Gross. I have our actual vitamin. And then right here we'll put the word vital. Perfect. Right, now as you can see, I left enough space under each one where I have a little bit of space to write some words. Alright, let's start with the easiest word, which in my opinion is survival and vitamin. So survival is the state or effort of continuing to live. Especially in spite of difficult conditions. So that means survival is not always easy. It can be a little tough. Right, vitamin. A natural substance in food that makes a healthier life. So vitamins really help improve your quality of life. All right, so we have vitality up here. And vitality is sorry, now I'm listening to my husband play music in the background. There's so much background noise today. I'm sorry, guys. So vitality is a lively or energetic quality something that improves life actually, you know, I'm going to take this last part off. I'm sorry. I'm getting a little distracted with all the noises, with the barking and the music. Because you guys know I'm an auditory learner. I've mentioned that quite a few times this year. So noises distract me very easily. Okay. Let's do vivacious. We know OUS means full of. Full of life. And so vivacious is usually happy or lively. It's like a personality. And then vital is absolutely necessary you could think of like life or death. All right, let's do our specs. So I don't know, I haven't heard anyone call glasses specs in a long time, but a lot of times people use specs as a shortening for glasses. I know some of you tech nerds might also know specs from like gaming or like computer equipment, but that's more like the word specifications, which might have a root in looking or seeing, but I'd need to look a little deeper on that one to see. So spec usually means look or see. Let's do these three first, and then we'll use those two last. So as I said on these, I sloppy cut them out. So we're just going to put glue on the top so that I can fold it like that. Do perspective, because we've used that word a lot in reading and writing this year. Probably social studies too, actually. I like the word perspective. Spectator. Prospect. And the last one is something I'm putting glue on. Speculate. Okay. And now there's a train. So many noises in my house. Okay. So inspect means to, remember spec means look or see. Look at something carefully, usually to learn more or find problems. So inspect means to look at something carefully, usually learn more or find problems. All right, perspective means a way of looking at something, aka a way of thinking, or understanding. Spectator, we know from the OR it's a person who, so a person who is watching usually an event, show, game, etc. Prospect. If you have watched all of the Toy Story movies, there is a character called the Prospector, and this is kind of related to that word. So prospect is a possibility that something will happen in the future, aka seeing hope. So like the prospector would be trying to see the hope in finding gold, usually during those time periods. And last one we've got is speculate. Speculate. To consider or make guesses about what is seen. Usually these are ideas or theories. Alright guys, so 12 minutes in, got them all done. Bye.